one more example I am taking. This is example number 6, which is solved in book also. So that I am explaining in my way. So you see, first of all, as I told in question number 1, first make it pair from ones place. From ones place you make pair. This is first pair, means first period. 98 is second period. Now this is single, so it will be alone. So this will be the third period will be alone. So we have to solve for 9. So we will write here such a number, their square should be 9 or less than 9. So what is the number? That number is 3. So our first answer is 3. 3 3s are 9. We will subtract it. This is 0 and we will note it down. Second one, second period, that is 98. And this side, as I told in previous question also, once again you write and add these two. So this will be 3 plus 3 6. And now we have to solve for 98. So 6 is here. So 6 we have to write here one digit and multiply by the same digit. So it should be exact 98 or less than 98. So we will try. First we write 1. We got here 61. Again you try for 2. 2 to the 4, 6 to the 12, 124. So we are observing here 98 is there. So 124 is more. So this we can't write 2. So our next answer is 1. So we'll write here 1 and this is our next answer. That is why I am writing inside the box. And their product is this we will take. This we can't take because it is more than 98. So 61 is our next number. And we will follow the same procedure. First of all we will subtract it. This is 7 and this is 3. 37. And next, like division procedure, we will write the last period, that is 56. So we have to solve for this and the same procedure. This we will add 1 plus 1, 2 and 6 is already there. So it will become 62. How this came 62? 61. And again we have to write that 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 62. So this place is for the next answer. So you see, again in the rough we will solve it. This is the rough column. 6 to 62 is there and we will write different digit and we will check. For instance, suppose I am taking 5. So I am checking for 5. What we are getting, see, 5 5 the 25, 2, 5 to the 10 plus 2, 1, 6 5 the 30 plus 1, 31. It is less than this, so you check for next one again. 6, 2, check for 6, another 6, 6 6 the 36, 3 carry, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 5, 1 here, 6 6 the 36 plus 1, 37. So this came exact 3756, 3756 and subtract it 0. Answer is, what is the correct answer? 5 is less, 6 came exact. So 6 is the next answer, 6. So we will write our answer and this is the rough one. This is final answer, 9,98,000. Sorry, it is 99,856. Its square root is 360. This is your answer. And your homework is worksheet 4, question number 1, all parts, as much as you can solve. Okay. Good evening students. Today on 1st April we will learn how to find square root by long division method. So our question is we are solving question number 1, second part. Question is 6561. We have to find square root of this number by long division method. First of all, we will draw line like this and we will make group from ones place. From this side we will make pair of 2 2 by this way. Then these are called periods. This is first period, this is second period. And now we will solve 8 by period. First our period is 65. We have to solve for this. So we will mark here one box and we will write this. Such a digit we will fill, their square should be less than this. Exactly this number 65 or less than 65. Means we have to write here number in such a way their square should be less than 65 or exact 65. So 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16. Likewise we see that 8 8 is 64. So 64 is just below because 9 9 is 81 is more than this. So our first answer is 8 because 8, we will write here our first answer, that is 8. So 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64 and we will subtract it like division. So while subtracting we will get 1 and we will note down the second here next period. This period is 61, so this is come 61 downside. And here once again we will repeat this number. Our answer we will repeat here once again and here we will add these two. 8 plus 8, 16. We will add this 8 plus 8, 16. So our first answer is, first quotient is 8. Now for the second answer. Again we will mark here one box for our next answer. How we will fill this box? Again we have to do the same thing. 16 is there, we have to write here 1 and multiplied by same number 1. If its multiplication is exact this or less than this. So in this case we see that it is coming exactly 161. 161. So we will subtract it. Our next answer is 1. Here our answer is 1. After subtracting we are getting here remainder 0. So we will stop our procedure and we will write our answer. Square root of 6561 is 81. And next question in the next slide. Good evening dear students. Today I am teaching you square root of rational numbers. For finding square root of rational numbers, some property I am explaining. Rule 1 is, it is given in your textbook also, square root of a multiplied by square root of b can be solved by square root of their product directly. For example, square root of 8 into square root of 18 can be solved as square root of 8 multiplied by 18. Here interesting thing is that 8 separately not possible. We cannot find the square root of 8 because its prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 2. So there are 3 2's. So it is not possible to take out pair. Similarly 18 also not possible because this is not a perfect square. So how we can find the square root of 18? But when we will bring under one square root together, then it is possible. It is because 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. So while making pair we see that it is 3, 1 pair, it is 1 pair and it's 1 2 and it's 1 2. This prime factorization of this 2 of 18 and these 2 of 8, they will together make 1 pair. So we know that for finding the square root we find from the square root symbol 1 1 2 outside. Out of this group 1 2, out of this 1 and out of these 3. So answer is 2 into 2 into 3 is 12. Now you see rule 2. This is related with your this worksheet. This will help you in future, but this will help just now in next worksheet 5. Square root of a divided by square root of b can be solved as together square root of a upon b. Here also we will see the same problem like that type. Square root, this I am solving example number 13. Example 13 is there. Square root of 243 divided by square root of 867 separately we cannot find. We will see why. We write under one square root symbol and we find their prime factorization method. So its prime factorization is 2 multiplied by 2. This is 5 times 3. So 5 times 3, while making the pair we are observing that 1 3 is extra left. And 867, when we multiply, when we find prime factorization, we are getting 3 multiplied by 17 into 17. So here one group we got, but here also 3 extra, here also 3 extra. So what we can do? In between division sign is there, so we can cancel which is extra. So this extra will be cancelled. And now the rest are in exact pair. So this is square root symbol. So for removing the square root symbol, 1 1 we will take outside. So from this 3 came, from this group this 3 came, and from this 17 came. So 3 3 are 9 upon 17. So this is the answer of this question. And this is not possible by finding separately. 243 not possible because here 3 is extra. Same thing 867 is also not possible alone because here also 3 is extra. But by using this property, when we write under one sign, we can cancel these 3. That is why it is possible. Good evening, students. Today I am explaining you how to find the square root of decimal numbers. You see the example 16. I am explaining on the page. First of all, as per the rule, first we will make the pair from, in the whole number side we will make starts from unit place. So it is 47 and 1. 1 is alone. And decimal size we will make pair immediately after decimal place. Means first group will be 13, then second group will be 69. So we have to remember this thing that group should be immediately from the decimal this side and this side. So first of all, this is 1 is alone, so we will solve for 1. So as per the square root method, this continued division method, we have to find the answer for 1. So for 1 is the such a number, 1 multiplied 1 gives 1. So first answer is 1. And in this process, 1 minus 1, this is 0, and this is 1 plus 1, 2. And this next 47 will be right downside. So now we have to solve for 47. These two, 1 plus 1, these two. So what we will write here so that it should come less than 47? If we will write 1, so it will become 21 into 1, 21. Now we are putting here 2. And when we will write by these 2, so 22 into 2, 44. So this is the correct answer. So 47 minus 44 is the correct. So next our answer is 2. So 47 minus 44, it is 3. And next is this 1 3 13. It means we are crossing the decimal. So immediately we will put decimal upper side. So this is 313. And this side, as per the previous rule, this 2 we will add. So this is 24. Now this place is for next answer. So 313. If we will put here 1, so that will be the suitable here. If we will put here 2 even, then it will become more. So 1 is the suitable answer. So 241 multiplied by 1 gives 241. And here also we will write on the answer 1. So after subtracting this, we have got 72, and this 69 from where came? This is the next group. So one by one this group we will write downside, and same procedure we will follow, only then next answer is here 2, 4 and 1 plus 1, this 2, this place is for answer. So our next answer is 3. So after writing here 3, it is 7269. So this is the answer. So that answer of square root of 147.1369 will be 12.13. Now you see I am explaining question number 1 of 6th part of question number 1. Question is find the square root of 18 upon 49. So first of all, this is mixed number. We will convert this into fractions. So this is 7 into 49 plus 18 as per the rule of class 5. You know how to convert the mixed number into fraction number. So this is 361 upon 49. This is converted, this mixed number converted into rational number 360 upon 49. Now we will find this prime factorization of 361 by this way. This is 19 divided by this, again 19 we have got, these are prime numbers. So 19 multiplied by 19 we have got, and this 49 as you know 7 multiplied by 7. So this here we have got exact pair. So out of this 19 we will write here, out of this one group we will write 7 here. So this is the 19 upon 7 is the answer of this question. Now I am solving solution number 2, second part. Question is 0.0081. So first of all we will make group. After immediately decimal, this side it is whole part alone, 0 only, and in decimal part immediately it is 00, first group, then second group 81. First of all we will solve for this 0 whole part. Answer will be 0 because square of 0 is only 0. So 0 into 0, this 0, and our answer will be here also first answer is 0, and sum of this 0 will be 0, and subtraction of this 0 minus 0, 0. So what we will do next, this 00 will be downside. So this is also 0, 0. So what is the next answer here? What I should write so that answer will come 0? 0. Next answer, now you take care here, this decimal you are crossing, so immediately you put here decimal. So next answer is here 0. So this 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 0, and after subtraction also this is 0, 0, and next one it will be 81. And this 0 plus 0, 0, and this is already here 00. So this place is for next answer. So what I should write here so that it will become 81? Here I will write 9. So 9 9s are 81, and subtract it, that is 0, 0, and this is answer place 9, and this 0 came, stop procedure, and we will write our answer. Square root of 0.0081 is equal to 0.09.